I don't know if you guys can hear the Madonna playing, but I'm voguing in here. We're voguing. Anyway, that's beside the point. It is committed club time, gym announcement time. Oh my God, we got so much to talk about here today. Geez, let's start it off. We're gonna add in some new things. We're trying to make this a little bit better. So
Hopefully a little better than last
a
one.
little better than last time. Yeah, for sure. But we got some new members here to announce. And we're gonna just keep kind of putting these in. So welcome these guys when you see them in here. Few of them been in here a few weeks, but wanted to make sure you guys got to see them. And we have more coming. There's been a couple every other week. You know, we got Carlos, Yadira, David, Renee, and Jake, to name a few. I think there was some more. Anyway, we're gonna have some more coming in. You guys will see them. But if you see somebody new, remember what it was like your first week. It's intimidating. You guys are all doing crazy things, and say hi to them. Welcome them in. Make them feel welcome. We all remember our first day. It's pretty cool. Let's move into birthdays. Keep it going. Right? We had a very special birthday this morning. Danner McClannon turned, I think, 45 today. Happy birthday, Dan. Yeah. But we got Monica and Mike, and Renee was today as well.
Happy birthday, Renee.
Coming up is Danielle, Steve, The Norm, Christine and Donovan, and Trina and Robbie. Happy birthday, December babies. Which you guys don't know because maybe you don't know him, but Gooch is a December baby.
Our dog.
Our dog Gooch. He's turning 6. He's awesome.
On Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas.
McDonovan's birthday.
Mm-hmm. All right. Holiday schedule. I know a lot of you have been asking. So obviously Christmas Eve, we're normally closed because that's a Sunday. But Christmas Day, please don't come in here. We won't be in here. The coaches won't be here. Just eat your prime rib or your turkey or go to Chinese food, whatever you're doing. Don't come in here. We are closed.
Enjoy your day with your friends or your family or yourself or whatever you do.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Our holiday party, our white elephant is, I'll put that up in just a second. That is after Christmas this year. And the reason for that is
so that you can use those presents that you don't like. The white elephant party exchange.
I didn't think of that. That's actually pretty great. No, it was because the real reason, although that's absolutely genius, the real reason is we are treating our coaches. We're taking them out for a celebration and kind of a thank you. And that kind of fell on, and I felt like you guys would probably agree with me. They deserve a little thanks. So we're taking them out for a real special night. And we'll do the holiday white elephant party afterwards. So anything you didn't get, like a pillow with a lobster on it that Matt got last year, bring it back in. We'll give it away. Okay, cool. And then you guys all requested it. We were going to be closed on New Year's Day, but we're going to do a New Year's workout, 9 a.m. only. And then everybody's getting in the cold plunge. So don't go to Cayucas. Come get a cold plunge on here.
Yeah, it'll be a fun work, but get your reservations in because, it might fill up quick.
Yeah. And those holiday workouts, it'll be a bring a buddy day. So it'll be a nice workout if you guys want to bring somebody to come.
Maybe you have somebody coming in town that, you want to bring and work out with.
You want to show off your fitness to your cousin. Yeah, very cool. So here is the information on the White Elephant Christmas party, December 30th from 5 to 8. Last year was so much fun. That White Elephant got pretty intense, I'm going to say. Some really awesome gifts.
Really good treats. We suggest that you bring something, a holiday treat, whether it's homemade or store-bought, it doesn't matter, but just, if you can't, don't worry, just come and have fun.
Awesome. Okay, what else we got going on here? All right, I'm gonna do the nagging thing real quick. A very small percentage of you guys read your emails and have not set up your ACH yet. I'm going to get aggressive, so please do not continue to ignore this. This is really important. I don't want you guys to get the credit card fee. Um, so yeah. And just so you guys know, the email that goes out does look a little weird. It uses a service called Plaid to link it up. You can do it manually without using Plaid. And that's totally okay. Hit me up for the instructions. I've showed a couple of people how to do it. What it'll do is it'll put little pennies into your account and you just got to verify it. So sorry, but let's get this done. I got better things to do in January than chase you all. Okay, end of rant.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. All right. So before we get to the committed club, and we're bringing the bingo balls back, okay, I wanted to show off some of the fantastic results that some of our new 6-week challengers have done. And the reason I'm showing you guys this is because we are unveiling I, I don't know exactly what we call it. We may call it the red carpet challenge or something, but that's been kind of played out. But we are bringing a challenge for you guys in January, come the middle of January, to get you guys back on track. If we slid a little bit during the holidays, but this is going to be super fun. There will be cash money. There will be incentives to join. We're giving away all sorts of stuff. Plus, you're going to look jacked and beautiful for summer. So break out the Borats and whatever you ladies like to wear. Okay. But it is going to be awesome. So I'm teasing it here, but like, look at some of the results that we got. Let's give it up to Teresa. Absolutely crushed this. 10 pounds of body fat and
That's
gained
amazing.
2 pounds of muscle,
Wow.
right? In only 6
And
weeks.
muscle continues to burn more body fat just by itself.
Yeah. Super proud of Teresa. And to be honest with you, Teresa's proud of Teresa. And she'd be. So when you see her here at the gym, she is pumped and she's still going. She's got more goals to break and to accomplish. So give her a high five. And then another one. This is one of Tracy's girls. And there's a whole bunch of these girls coming online. Colleen just, not wrong one. Where's Colleen? Colleen just happened to be the first of Tracy's girls. And look at that, 10.7 pounds of body fat, right? So if you've had a chance to work out with Colleen, you can understand why she got so much success in this. She's in Vegas this weekend, so she's probably not watching this. She earned it, but it's pretty cool. So congratulate Colleen and be on the lookout for more of these. Okay. Awesome job. All right. We ready for the committed club?
I'm ready.
Okay. You know, here it is. So, a lot of cool names, but like some of you may not even know that we do this, but tell everybody like what is the committed club?
Okay, so for those of you that don't already know or just need a refresher, the Committed Club is an attendance challenge. And you'll be rewarded for staying dedicated to your goals. So to be a part of this club is an honor, and it shows the rest of the world and your family and your friends. It shows your dedication to your goals and your health and well-being. Not only is the Committed Club going to help you achieve fantastic results, but it is going to give us an opportunity to recognize you and provide you with awesome prizes. Each month, we do give out 1 tub of protein. And, you know, at the end of the year, if you've attended classes regularly and you've been a part of the Committed Club, we have a special prize, a limited edition Committed Club shirt that is going to be out. It'll be January 2024 will be our first one doing. So, we got 1 more month and we're just super excited to show you guys.
Yeah, I can't wait to see who earned that t-shirt.
Yeah.
It's going to be pretty cool. So we are going to step up with your help. Thank you.
Yeah. We're going to step this up.
We're going to step this up. And you guys we're just going to recognize all the hard work, all the fitness you guys been doing. not only in you guys leveling up, but like we're gonna give you some cool stuff and we're gonna make it worth it. And you get to parade around in that trophy shirt because there's just gonna be a lot of people who didn't earn that.
Yeah.
And they're gonna be jealous.
And
maybe they're gonna want one in 2025.
Yeah, and coming 2024, we'll reset the clock and we may be doing some quarterly prizes as well.
Yeah.
So keep on coming, you guys.
We got some goodies.
And make sure that you check in because the coaches are supposed to check you in, but
no, they're not.
Still your responsibility to make sure that you're checked into class.
Yes.
Not just
show up to class,
checked in.
And if you're in Michael's class, he's gonna check you in, but you got to come really 4:30 in the morning. But show up, check into the iPad, make sure you're on this list. Okay. If you don't check in, don't be calling us and be like, I should have been there. No, you got to check in. We're all adults, right? All right. Are we ready for the drawing?
Drawing.
Right on. Okay, so this month, our first prize is we're going to do one of the holiday podiums. We have peppermint bark, which sold out instantly. And there's more coming. And then I got one left of the gingerbread. So you guys get to pick which of the holiday flavors that you want for that Committed Club Plus.
They're both really good.
Yep. And then second prize is going to be a 10-pack of Fit Aids that you can enjoy after class. Okay.
2 prizes.
2 prizes.
Here are all the names. All the names. Oops, this way.
Let's get our
and
bingo balls.
16 or more.
16 or more classes.
Okay. Let's see.
All right.
All right.
Here we go. Who's getting the Fit Aid card? For the Fit Aid card.
I think that's pretty good shuffle. What do you say?
Yeah. Pick one out. Other way.
This way?
Yep.
There we go.
Good. Before. Before what?
Cassie.
Cassie! You won. She told me this morning she was going to win.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Congratulations, Cassie.
Congratulations.
Good job being committed. Yeah. All right. The grand prize for the holiday tub of protein. So pick your flavor, either peppermint bark or I got one gingerbread left. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay,
here we go.
Drum roll. All right, there it is. Grab it.
B10. Ashleigh. Ashleigh, congratulations, Ashleigh. She was here. She just left. We'll catch up with her tomorrow. It's not hard to find her because she's always here every day. She's committed. Yeah. Fantastic job, everybody. So we will see you at the Christmas party. Can't wait to see your gifts. We'll see you at the gym. Stay committed.
Bye, guys.
That's all we
Happy
got.
holidays.